Can you share words that you use for triggers and self-regulation?
Yeah, I just call it I call it dysregulation, but I do teach people about high and low. So I will teach and we'll talk about the window of tolerance too. Is that I teach people that there's like a sweet spot in the middle where we want to be. That's where our body's like regulated, where it's feeling good, we can be happy, we can do the things that we want to do. Both parts of our brain are working together in an integrated way. But when we get dysregulated or when our body gets out of balance because we see something or something's happening in our environment or in our brain that makes us scared or threatened, there's two ways that we go. We go either to the top area, which is the fight, and you can call that Hulk mode or whatever you want to call it, tiger mode, whatever you're using as your terminology, where you fight or you run away, flee. So you're doing two things that are action based to be able to try and get away from the fear or the threat. Or we go low, and the low is that where we shut down or freeze. And so instead of referring to triggers, I say, do you go high or low? Did you go high or low? When your body felt out of balance, I would feel out of balance. Most people would feel out of balance if somebody was screaming at them. Where did you go? Did you go high or low? So I'm turning it into a self-reflection piece instantly, opposed to somebody did something to me. They triggered me.